What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So let's get into this curly hair. So I received this hair from Double Leaf Wig, and this is their deep curly wig. It is a frontal in the front, and it has bundles in the back. So this is what it looks like, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. What? And I did put like two braids to the side and also show you guys how it looks coming down. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this video of me slaying this wig once again. So again, this wig I received from Double Leaf Wig, and this is their 20-inch deep curly hair. And it also comes with an elastic strap that you can add on top of the other elastic strap. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, the hair is really thick, but the hairline has been pre-plucked. So that's what I'm showing you guys here. Really nice construction wig, and it has 2 inches of parting space on the side and about 4 inches in the middle. And this is what the bundles look like. And here, well, excuse me, it's not deep curly, it's more of like a loose curl. My bad. So, and I'll leave it down below so you guys could definitely know. But look how the hairline is looking. I didn't pluck it at all or anything right here. You can tell it has been pre-plucked. It's really, really thick, as you guys can see. So I'm going to go ahead and section it off because I want to wear it in a middle part. So just section it off, then taking my hot comb to try to get my part a little more sleeker. I'm not trying to get it too sleek because it is curly hair and I want to keep like the curls, but I do want my part to be flat and not looking wiggish. So that's all I'm going to do here is just hot comb it, and then I'm going to go ahead and pluck it because as you can see here, the hairline is really, really dense compared to when I fix it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pluck my part. I almost never pluck my part, like never pluck my part. So I did have to pluck it a little bit here as well as just that section on both sides just so you can I could just get it like looking more realistic and so it wasn't so wiggish because the size was plucked like perfect, but at the top it was a little bit more dense, so just a little bit more plucking to get it to my liking. So that's what I'm doing here. I definitely probably should have done it off my head because I went ahead and glued it on as well, but I'm not at home, so I don't have my mannequin head. But that's all I'm doing here is just plucking it, pulling out. As you can see here, that's all the hair I plucked just from that one side in the part. So I did pluck quite a bit. So I did section off the hair. You can't see like that track, but once I do the braid, you're not going to be able to see it once the curly hair comes over it. But that hairline, okay, I see you. So just section off like that little bit of baby hair because I like baby hair. I haven't gotten into the no baby hair on a lace front wig yet because, yeah, it ain't for me. I want the little bit of swirls in the front, but check out this hairline looking good, y'all. So I'm taking this foam lotion, wrap lotion, and putting that on right where I'm going to put my braid, basically. And then I go ahead and braid my braid. So that's all I'm doing here. And like I said, I did glue the wig on using Ghost Bond glue. So I did do that. And I did bleach my knots so you guys can know. And now I'm just cutting that little bit so I can make me some little baby hairs. As long as your baby hairs aren't like really thick, I believe you're okay. And in the clear, but you definitely could have got away with this wig with the no baby hair look. I just didn't want to, it's optional. So I'm taking that mousse and adding that to the rest of my hair so I can get those curls back from me combing through the hair and plucking it. And then I do the exact same thing to the other side, and this is what I'm left with. It looks really good, super curly, and I love the 2 braids in the front just to give you like different options and like a style. And plus, I was going out and I didn't want it all in my face all night, while I be doing my little dance or whatever. So That's why I decided to do the two little braids in the front, and then if you want, you can definitely pin it back like this to give you a whole new different look kind of to go for. So the bundles look really good. I didn't get like no shedding, and I wore it out to the club and it didn't really mat in the back. Now only wore the wig for 2 days, however I did party in it. So this is 2 days later, and you can have it glueless if you like. You don't have to glue it down if you don't want to. So that's why I'm showing you guys that you can wear it without glue, or you can use you some Ghost Bond, got to be glue free spray. So yeah. So here I'm just gonna take out those two braids, and as you can see, like this plait just gave me like the same curl pattern as the rest of the hair. Like it just blended in. You couldn't even really tell. So if you want, you know, definitely wear it in the middle part, and then off camera I also pulled it over to the side, and it was cute as like a little side part. So yeah, you have different options how you can wear your curly wig that only has like 2 inches of parting space on the side. So don't let that stop you there. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, please thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.